Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn counting to 120 together step by step. Counting means saying numbers in order. We start at 1, then 2, then 3. Each number is just one more than the one before it. Easy peasy. After 10, we keep right on going. 11, 12, 13, and up we climb. We do not stop at 20. We keep counting higher and higher. We can count all the way to 120. After 100 comes 101, then 102. We keep going until we reach 120. That is a lot of numbers. Let us try one. Start at 47. What comes next? 48, 49, and then 50. We just add one more each time. Great job counting. So counting means saying numbers in order. Each number is one more than the last, and we can count all the way to 120. You are a counting star. Great work. Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.